Hi friends, today in this video I am going to show you how to download BGMI Early Access. This is the official way by which you will surely get the How Battlegrounds Mobile India Early Access and you can download the game from Play Store. So without wasting any further time, let us get started. Firstly, open Google Chrome or any web browser on your mobile. Type www.battlegroundsmobileindia.com and hit enter to visit BGMI official website. I have also added link in description. Scroll down. Click on Early Access Now button. Click on Continue button. Scroll down. Tap on Become a Tester. Now you shall see a message saying Welcome to the testing program. You are now a tester. Wait for 5 minutes. Click on Download it on Google Play link on page. Here you can see we have now got the install button. So tap the install button to download and install the BGMI Early Access. The download size is 721 megabytes. So wait for it to get downloaded. The BGMI download is successful. Hit the play button to start the BGMI game. Click on Allow. Hit the OK button. Wait for the resources download to get completed. It is of 618 megabytes, so it shall take as few minutes. Update is finished. Click OK to restart the game. Now tap on BGMI icon to open the Battlegrounds Mobile India on your phone. Click on Accept. Log in via Twitter or Facebook account. Click on Accept button. Hit the skip button if you want to skip the trailer video.
Here choose your character and enter a username of your choice.
And finally hit the create button. Here are the rewards, hit OK to collect them. Tap on yes. Now to import and sync your old PUBG account with BGMI account, hit the yes please continue. Click on yes button to grant permission. Select the social account you linked with prior PUBG game. Tap on yes button to initiate the transfer. Congratulations, your data is successfully transferred from old PUBG game to the BGMI Battlegrounds Mobile India. That's it, enjoy BGMI aka Battlegrounds Mobile India game. Please hit the like, share and subscribe if the video was helpful.